Do Hall's sugar-free cough drops cause gas? Another ingredient in cough drops to consider is sorbitol, a sugar substitute found mainly in sugar-free varieties. Consuming too much sorbitol can have a laxative effect, including mild to severe diarrhea. Flatulence. Product details. Whether you're at home, school, the office, or out and about, Hall's Minis sugar-free cough drops go anywhere. These cough drops are small in size but just as effective as standard Hall's menthol cough drops. Plus, each portable, pocket-size pack has a convenient flip top and contains unwrapped drops for discreet, effortless, and wrapper-free relief. You can also take comfort in the soothing sugar-free cherry flavor of these cough drops. Made with 2.9 mg of menthol, they temporarily relieve coughs due to a cold and occasional minor irritation or sore throats. This package contains one individual pack of Hall's Minis cherry flavor sugar-free cough drops, 24 drops total. One pack of Hall's Minis cherry flavor sugar-free cough drops, 24 menthol cough suppressant, oral anesthetic drops total. Relieve coughs, soothe sore throats, and cool nasal passages with sugar-free cherry flavor menthol cough drops from Hall's, the trusted cough and throat lozenge creators. Each miniature Hall's cherry flavor cough drop has 2.9 mg of menthol and temporarily relieves coughs due to a cold, as well as occasional minor irritation or sore throats. These cough drops are small in size but just as effective as standard Hall's menthol cough drops. The portable, pocket-size pack contains unwrapped drops for discreet, effortless, and wrapper-free relief. Get cough relief on the go with convenient flip-top packs. Toss in your bag or purse or keep one in your office drawer, school desk, or car to alleviate occasional throat irritation anytime, anywhere. Highlights. 1 pack of Hall's Minis cherry flavor sugar-free cough drops. Menthol cough suppressant and sore throat relief. Oral anesthetic drops with 2.9 mg of menthol per drop. Relieves coughs, soothes sore throats, cools nasal passages. Get discreet, portable relief on the go with convenient pocket-size packs. Our mission at Mondelez International is to create more moments of joy and build the best snacking company in the world by growing our people, growing our business and growing our impact on the world around us.